Hello, inhabitants of the internet. My name is Jenna, and today I will be solving, if I can pick it up, this thing. That was smooth. Okay, yeah. Thanks, Grant, for teaching me how to do this and like sending me instructions, because I never thought I would ever like solve one of these. Thanks. I love you. That was a weird way to do a heart. Yeah, so like, let's get started. And if you see me looking right there, it's because I haven't exactly remembered the instructions yet. My earbuds are cold. Let's get started. Right side solved. That took me a long time because I'm sometimes bad at this. Okay, now we have to solve the bottom two. Okay, bottom two layers are done. So now we have to get a cross on the top. Talking myself through this. Okay, and now we have these two solved, so we have to line up crap. And we've solved the Rubik's Cube. That took me about 3 minutes. I'm so proud of myself. No, I'm just kidding. It took me about 4 minutes. Whatever, I did it. I solved the Rubik's Cube, and that took me way shorter than usual, about like a minute less.